Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys kind of like an intro to Tradingview and MetaTrader 4, how to use the actual programs and the website. So, simple Tradingview. After you already logged in, whenever you want to pretty much search up a currency that you're going to trade, you want to make sure this is on ticker. So it shows you the actual chart, USD JPY. I always recommend FXCM, as you can see on the bottom right here, after all exchanges, FXCM. So quickly, you want to select on interactive chart, and simple as that. So top right, here you have your monthly, or here you have your time frames. At the top left, here you have the currency you're currently looking at. Of course, moving averages are there, but let's actually get into how to use the actual program. So all your tools are to your left here, and pretty much you want to, like, I know this is going to be like popped out like this. You just want to like shove this to the side because it's unimportant. So like I said, all your tools are to the left. So the tools that I want you guys to favorite, so this is your toolbox, I guess you could say, your favorited tools. Tools I want you guys to favorite are your trend lines. So just click on the little star. Your horizontal lines, Fibonacci retracement, trend based fib extension, your rectangle, your eclipse, your long position, your short position, and the date and price range tool. And those are the tools you're going to have favorited, as well as your text. So now, how these tools actually work. So your horizontal lines will be for your support and resistance. So it's as simple as you click on the tool and you just paste it onto your chart. Simple as that. Then obviously you could move this around and do whatever you want with it. Your date and price range tool will be to draw your monthly support and resistance. So this pretty much just gives you calculation of the pips, the price, and the date, and how long it took. Your long and short position. So your short position, whenever you enter a buy, let's say we go to the 4-hour time frame, and I entered a buy right here earlier today. I actually did take this trade, and it's just pretty much to show you to not look at your MT4, to show you when you're in profit and when you're in drawdown. So I always recommend to use the date and price, or to use the long and short positions on your Tradingview, because if you're looking more at your Tradingview and less at your profits, then you're less connected to how much money you're making or how much money you're in drawdown, and there's less emotion involved to the money. So it's more, you're more focused on the technical aspect, and you're pretty much blocking out any emotions. And when you're trading, you want to trade with no emotions. So this helps a lot with that. Same thing here, you have your short position for the sell. So whenever it's in red, you're in drawdown. So let's say if I placed my sell order on this candlestick, right? Or on this candlestick, let's just put it right here, right? I'd put it like this to where my stop loss is, and then wherever my take profit is. So it's simple as that. Now, rectangles, these are just drawing tools. It's as simple as just clicking and dragging. These are, you would use these to draw areas of support, resistance, draw areas of exhaustion, etc. As you can see, I have a bunch of horizontal lines for support, resistance for different time frames and stuff like that. Fibonacci, you'll be learning about this tool later on in the course. Your I guess another drawing tool, ovals. I don't really use these too often, but sometimes I do. Text, simple as just pasting and texting. Like, this cannot get any simple, but obviously I'm just showing you guys how to use actual programs. So your trend lines, these are pretty much your random lines. So you're going to be using these for random areas of support, resistance. Like right here, I see an area of support, which you'll be learning everything of this later on. So simple as just dragging, clicking and dragging, just like that. And if you actually click and drag this and hold shift, it goes in a straight line, or for trend lines. So these are just things to keep in mind. Now the time frames. This is something you want to pay attention to and take notes to. So these are the time frames. So this is a monthly time frame. That means that each one of these candles represents a month. Same thing with a weekly time frame. Each one of these candles represents a whole week of market movement. And then so forth. The daily, each candle represents a day. Then the 4 hour represents the 4 hour time frames. You can see to the right over here, as you can see, it says it's a countdown, 46 minutes left until this candle closes. And it also tells you where price is. So to start off with, I want you guys to take a picture of my settings of my Tradingview, and I want you guys to pretty much change your settings to my settings. So you're gonna right click, go to properties, candles blue, or bullish candles blue, bearish candles kind of like a gray, borders black, and then wicks black. If you want, you pause this, take a picture of it, doesn't matter. Background, you could pause this and take a picture of it. And then for the vertical grid lines, everything you see a checkerboard on, it's down here. So essentially the colors doesn't matter, you just drag it out so it's transparent. So simple as that. Now let's move on to MetaTrader 4. So minimize this. So you're gonna open up your XM MT4 after you've already downloaded it. Now, to link your broker account, it's as simple as going to File, open an account. For Trader's Way, I know you have to type in TW space Corp. I'm not 100% sure yet for LQBFX. So you type in TW Corp, press scan, then you'll see it pop up here. If you opened up a Trader's Way demo account, you're going to select Trader's Way demo. If you open up a Trader's Way live account, you're going to select Trader's Way live. And then you log in with your information here with the information that Trader's Way gave you for your live account or for your demo account. Once that's done, this down here should pop up, and you'll see all the data centers and how much MS they're getting. And then pretty much when you check trade, you'll see your account balance down here to the bottom left, your equity, free margin, and then profit screens to the right. I always recommend to change from profit to as points, so it shows you how many pips you're catching, because you want to be looking at the pips. You don't want to be looking at the money too much. You want to be looking more at the pips, because if you get good at catching 25 pips a day, all you simply have to do is just up your lot size. Like, it's as simple as that. You just up your lot size and just get good at catching a certain amount of pips a day, and once you reach that goal, close your trade. So now to actually install my template that I have here. So this is my template, right? It's as simple as when you first open up TradingView, it'll show probably something like this, ugly as shit. I know. So to actually change that, you're gonna download my template, simply drag and drop it to the desktop. Go back to your XM. You're going to go down load template, go to your desktop, then click on Raul 1 TPO, and then it'll automatically pop up just like mine. It's like my settings. It'll tell you yesterday's high, yesterday's low, you know, the current support and resistance, you know, just little things like that that will help you out in your trading. Okay, so on TradingView, or on MetaTrader 4, my apologies, here you have your time frames. Again, here's a monthly time frame. Pretty much I don't use TradingView at all. I only use it for RSI and ADX, which you'll be learning about those indicators later on. And I also use it for entering trades. So to actually enter a trade, you can either do new order. Where is it? I believe it's somewhere here. Or if not, then I think it's just right click, just simple as going to one-click trading. I'm confused. I'm pretty sure there's a way you could enter trades through here, but anyways, disregard what I just said. So it's as simple as entering your lot size and clicking buy or sell. Then that's pretty much it for this video. It's just a little quick rundown how to use these programs. Obviously, if you want to learn certain things about the programs, you could look it up. but I don't really use this program all too much. I only use it for entering my trades and executing my positions. So that was about it. So if you guys have any questions, of course, always contact me at any time. My email, you can contact me by email, phone call, doesn't matter, Instagram DMs. Just hit me up if you have any questions at any time.